Hello, welcome to the video. Today's standard is to create charts with titles and legends to visually represent data. The objective is, by the end of the period, the student will be able to create a simple pie chart and a simple column chart with instructions. When you receive your Skittles or your M&Ms today, you're going to have to take them and you're going to have to tally them. Make it on your chart, write down the name of the colors you have, and write down the number of each one of those colors you have in your M&Ms or your Skittles container. Once you do that, you will then be ready to start creating your Excel spreadsheet on the colors that you have. Now in B1, you're going to want to type in my M&Ms, my M&M colors. If you have Skittles, you're going to want to put in my Skittles color instead. And then you're going to hit the enter key. Once you have got my M&M colors and my Skittle colors in there, you're going to want to highlight B and C, then merge them. You're going to make it a size 14 and you're going to bold it. If you need to, you will then just go ahead and widen your cells a little, your columns just a little bit, so that your title fits in there better. You will then want to put color and amount in B3 and C3, like so. You will want to bold them and then also underline them as well. Also, make sure that it is size 12. You'll then want to go ahead and put in your colors. I have green, orange, red, yellow, blue, and brown. You'll also want to put in the number of each one that you have. I have 2 green, 3 orange, 1, 1, 1, and 2. You'll want to make this bold, and each one you will want to go ahead and change your text color to match the color it is, like this. And that's all there is to that. Once you have your colors and your numbers in for your M&Ms, you'll want to go ahead and highlight the range that has collected all your data. You'll click on Insert. We're going to start with creating a column chart first. So you'll click on the downward arrow for the column chart and pick whatever column chart suits you. I'm going to go with a 3D column chart, and I'm going to go ahead and create my 3D column chart just like that. Now notice that I also did the column and the amount and the color. We'll want to change this in just a minute, but first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on the chart layouts, because we want to change the way the chart layouts look, the way the chart is laid out. You'll want to select a layout that allows you to have a title, a legend, and then also your X and Y's, your X axis and your Y axis. So I'm going to click on this layout, which will allow me to have all of that. Now for the title, you're going to put my, oops, didn't do that. Oh, there it goes. My M&M chart. Now if you don't have M&Ms, if you got Skittles instead, you're going to replace M&Ms with Skittles. Then you're going to put where it says axis title, that axis title should be amount, and your bottom axis title will be color. Now the next step is you want to change the colors of each one of these columns to match the column that the color that the M&Ms were. So we're going to start with the green. So you'll double click and that will highlight all of your columns. You'll click one more time to get just one, and you will click on Format, click on Shape Fill, and change your color to green. You'll then want to click on the next one. Then we'll click on Shape Fill again and change that to orange. And then you'll do that for each one of your colors until all of your colors match the colors of their M&Ms. When you get done coloring all of your columns, you're going to want to move your column chart underneath where your data is so it's displayed but not covering your data. You can also use your different size handles to make it bigger or smaller if you would like to display your stuff, your information better as well. Make sure to leave your file open from this point forward, because after you finish this, you'll continue on your worksheet and you will go ahead and create a pie chart answering some questions on your document that you will then turn in. Good luck with the other part of your assignment, and I look forward to seeing your completed charts when you are done. Have a wonderful day.